Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to the webinars. All right. Let's just wait for 1 to 2 minutes. All right, for everyone to tune in, and then we'll start the session. If you have any question, okay, any pair you want me to have a look for you, you can request. All right, just send in the request. Either you can send in the chat box or Q&A. All right. Hi, welcome to the webinars. Good evening from Singapore. Okay, let's just start our session for today. Okay. Where is the, just give me a minute. Okay. Just here first, okay? Okay, so welcome to the webinars. Just before I start the session, disclaimer first, all right? Everything in this webinar should not be considered investment advice or investment recommendation. Instead, educational material only, all right? If you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence before you guys trade, okay? I just want to highlight over here risk warning. Okay, trading FX and CFD may carry significant risk and is may not suitable for all investors. So please ensure that you understand the risk involved. All right. About myself, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader as well. Here are some of certificates that have passed all the challenge. All right. Okay. Let's just go over to our chat first, but before I start the chat, let's just look at the major news that we need to take note of for today and tomorrow. Okay. Okay, over here the timing, this is a Singapore time. Okay, if you want to change to your time zone, you can just hop over here. All right. Okay, so to later. Okay, later we do have like YOLO, okay, which is a high impact news and 8:30 p.m. Singapore time or tonight. We do have unemployment claim. I think it's a very, very, very big news. Okay, and tomorrow for Canadian, we do have a employment change, unemployment rate, and another one is dollar, US dollar. We do have non-farm payroll. Okay, so tonight, today and tomorrow, we have very high impact news. So please take note of any pair that you want to trade for Canadian and US dollar. Okay, this is the news that we need to look out for. Okay. Okay, let's just look at our dollar first. If you want to look at head for time frame. Okay, so basically for like the beginning of the month, okay, for dollar index, I think they were just ranging for the daily time frame because you can see that they just run from the support to the first resistance, just ranging. Okay, so I'm kind of like, I think they'll wait for the new this week, either today or tomorrow, and then you can see either they're gonna break above or break below. Okay, so now they're just ranging for dollar index. But if we want to look at the market structures for daily time frame, it's really clearly that they are on downtrend because they make a lower high and lower low, right? You can see, or you can use the bearish channel line. They still like within bearish channel line here for daily time frame. Also, sorry, for head for time frame. Okay. So now they just add this one I identify at multi-swing low, okay, which is on June 4th. Okay, and then yesterday the news came out. We just maybe go back to yesterday. I think that yesterday then okay, this week, sorry. Okay, yesterday the news came out that is a positive for US dollar, which is PMI. You can see that there is a negative for dollar index. Is this wait, let me see. Yeah. Okay, and what you can see here, yesterday, Thursday, price is okay. They kind of like at the support level here on Thursday, and then they bounce off because of the news, and then now you can see that dollar index is at the resistance level. And if you were to trade, we know that EUR USD, GBP USD, and XAU USD is a negative correlation with dollar index. That's why their dollar is rising. So basically EUR USD will be falling. Okay, and what you can see here, they're rising, right? This candle is falling. Okay. For EURUSD, okay, let me look for the key level for daily time frame. Okay, very clearly that there was at identify this is level, but over here. Okay. What about that? You can see that they will almost reach the extension 127.2. Okay, so these are daily time frame. You want to see in daily time frame, we still think that they kind of like on uptrend. Okay, what about we go to head 4? Okay, for head 4, okay, last yesterday on Tuesday, price break above. You want to look here, price break above this level, right? And they kind of like pull back here to this level instead here and bounce off, right? Just like uniform here, bounce off a few pips. You will able to see the candle here to here. It's about 20 pip for scalping, right? It might hit the TP if you like buy. I mean slightly above here, buy from this candle. And now it's just ranging. I think today they are waiting for the news. Okay. Let me just remove this or this first. Okay, I still I might put this one. Okay, let me see. There might be slightly above here. Either I will just pick this one at my first resistance here. Okay, definitely here it's gonna be second resistance. First resistance, sorry, this is gonna be second resistance. Okay, my key level, we have somewhere close to protection, which is 61.8 and 78.6%. This was at extension. Okay, when you see here, I come here and I go up here, okay, and hit your extension 127, right? You can see that 127 here, and then it bounce off, and then they capture at this level and bounce, and now they kind of like at like ranging. So now I think they are ranging here. They kind of like wait for the new, either want to break, pull back, or continue, or break below and pull back. Okay, for the EURUSD. Okay, so let's just mark out the key level again. Again, it's going to put here the first support, and it's gonna identify second support here. Okay. This is gonna be my first support, first resistance, second resistance, sorry. This is gonna be my second support, okay? There may be some Fibonacci level here. I might identify if price break my kind of like first support, which is somewhere here. We do have kind of like close to or somewhere here my extension. Okay, don't worry, I will tell you guys, explain. For example, price approaching or price reach our zone or our area, and then you want to execute your trade, okay, where you want to place your entry, okay, because I usually look for the key level, either H1 or H4, okay, and then we can go down or zoom in to the lower time frame to find the entry, okay. You can request if you have any pair, okay, for me to look for you. Okay, I will just pick here as 78.6% projection for second resistance. Okay. Okay, let me see. Um, okay. Now look for the GBPUSD. Okay. The GBPUSD, I just kind of like highlight kind of the area over here. Okay, I got like mark out the kind of like the zone. Okay. You want to look at this box here. Okay, last Thursday, price came all the way here. Okay, and I just identify this your support level. Okay, with this at 61.8%, and you may highlight here is your zone, right? And this is your first support. Okay. Okay, you need to identify where is key level. Okay, and this one is gonna be your second support, right? It's somewhere the area over here, the body and the wick, somewhere right here, which is, I just highlight the area for you. Okay, and I think they're kind of like waiting for the news tonight to be released. So we kind of like wait first. So it's just ranging, you can see like for this week, for entire week, or the first week of June. Okay, so I think after the non-farm, which is Friday, we can see the direction or the market trend clearly. Okay, you were to look at the GBUSD, definitely in H4 time frame, they still on uptrend, right? Okay, you can see the above Ichimoku cloud as well. So if you buy, okay, for GBP, you will get the entry at this level. Okay. Right here. Okay, so just wait for price again. If you want to go long from this level, what I mean by you should wait for confirmation if you are consecutive trader, but if you're aggressive, you can just put a pending order or buy limit at this level. Okay, what I mean by we wait for the confirmation, you can either go to lower time frame M5, M15. Okay, you need to look for the confirmation, which is price action, divergence, or chart pattern. Okay, and then you can either buy or sell from that area. For example, when the price at the either support and resistance area, and then you can buy or short from there. Okay, for example here, price keep falling down. Okay, like, okay, let's say price falling from the resistance level here, and then you can see that your price action, price falling all the way here. What you can see here, when price falling, you will see that price in M15 they make a lower low, and you can see the indicator is make a higher low, which is this is your bullish divergence, right? And this is your kind of like confirmation here that price is going to reverse from this level. Okay, and you can see that in M15 there has the rejection here, which is price cannot close below the zone, right? What you can see here, okay, rejection. This one is like, is this either hammer? Okay, I may forgot the like the those like price action pattern, but I know this is a PL price action. I may forget the name, but what you can see, the rejection long wick price come from support level, and then you can see there is a bullish divergence right here. And then you can go for buy for GBPUSD because we buy in H4. You can see their price still make high low, right, in the market structures here. Okay, and then we'll buy for the GBPUSD, but tonight and tomorrow we do have a high impact news, so you just have to take note and see whether price will break above or break below for resistance or break below for support, because now it's just ranging. You want to look at the candle here. Okay, that's about USD CHF. It very clearly that price on downtrend, and this is my resistance level. I haven't changed that. Price cannot break above. Can you see the price break below support, break below the second support as well, price break below the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, you can see that it's really strong downtrend. Okay, what we can see when you want to use indicator, right? You can see that really strong downtrend because price stay away from the cloud, right? You can see that one price break is an uptrend, right? One price break below, kind of like pull back here and then falling. Okay. Okay, now let's just find the key level. Let me just remove. Okay, right, the Ichimoku cloud here in daily time frame. What we can see here, and you want to look at market structures. Okay, you will clearly that price make a higher high, right? Higher low, higher low, higher high, and they're starting to make a lower low, lower high, right? And then they break this kind of like this low, right? You can see that. So we know that we either from uptrend now to downtrend. Basically, we kind of wait for price to pull back here, and then you're gonna short from this level. Okay, for daily time frame. What about we just go find the key level in H1? Okay. Okay, what we can see here. Okay, let me highlight first. This is for resistance somewhere around here. Okay, I zoom in or zoom down to H4. I will just adjust a little bit, which is it's gonna be my first resistance, which is they may line up with 50% fib level, somewhere around there. Either you pick here or you pick here, that doesn't matter. You guys put out here, but I just pick a swing high here. Okay, so we will identify this your first resistance. Okay, and just put here for your support, which is just swing low support level. Here is kind of like very, this is, I don't want to call the level, because if you were to just look on your left, he's somewhere like there's nothing here. Okay, on your left is just price kind of move up and down a little bit, but what I can put here, I might just put intermediate resistance, which is that would somewhere close to 23 and 50% Fibonacci retracement, right? So I just leave it like that. Okay, let's say price break all the way below first support, the next key level that we need to watch out, that would be, I might need to go to daily time frame for my Fibonacci. Just want to find the level that might be like 50%. Maybe I just leave it here like just now at my second support, which is in fish, switch to H4, and then okay, that will be my area, okay, for my second support. Okay, yeah, kind of like level here. Okay, but to look here, I think this one they add extension. You will pull Fibo from here to here. This is an extension. You can see that 1/6 exact, right? You can see when price break below your starting point or 100% here, you can see that price come and touch exactly here at 161.8% extension. You can see this the week, right? The price bounce up, and I don't know why they just from here and then like falling from this, but they still cannot break the first support. So we will see tonight or tomorrow, okay, for the level. This is the level that you need to take note of. This is your extension. That one price break below your starting point, which is this one right here, break below and touch your extension here and bounce off from that level. Maybe you need to zoom in. So example here, this candle. What about M15 telling you? Okay. What you can see here, definitely they have a bearish bullish engulfing candle here. Again, M15 there's no divergence, but we can see here that you have bullish bullish engulfing candle. This kind of like might be kind of considered price action over here. What about I go to M5? Okay, M5 here. See let me just remove this one. When price come to the zone, okay, they kind of like break. They break this this high, yeah. Why they break this? What's it high? Maybe I'll consider this one, but they did not pull back. Let me see. They pull back at 73.6 and then continue uptrend. It is not a very good one, but okay, you to look at the market structure or in M50 M5, you know that price make a lower low, lower high, right? Up to here, they kind of start to make a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and so on. So you know that price is changing from up downtrend to uptrend in the lower time frame, right? One price approaching the key support level, which is this one, okay, and then it at your 161.8 extension as well, and then you can buy from this level. But because of we do have a news, so they're gonna be the key level that you need to watch out. Okay, let's just move on to USD CAG. We do have a new as well. In H4 time frame, it's just ranging, right? You can see that it's just ranging in H4 time frame. That's just ranging here. Okay, there is no even like seen here, just ranging. Okay, I don't think that there's a opportunity or trade setup that we can watch out. But what we can do for USD CAG, okay, still I will still highlight this is still my kind of major support level. Okay, you kind of like have to wait for price, okay, to pull back, and then we're gonna short. Okay, pull back and I'm gonna short here. Or this is your first resistance, break above, pull back, and then you buy. It's either way, okay, because it is just a sideways. But again, that could be your extension 161.8 extension. That would be, you could put this one at your second resistance, which is multi-swing high, and we can highlight over here, which is your that's slightly above the extension, okay, right here. And let's say they break first support, you wait for price to break, pull back, okay. The target for second level, second support, that will be, it's my slightly hard for me. I will pick at this level, okay, for my second support, which is, that will be, let me just see, 161 projection. Yeah, I will just leave it there. Okay, this is gonna be my somewhere to my second support right here. Okay, move on to USD JPY. It's very clearly that price cannot break above this kind of like high or this high, right? Instead of, they make this is just identify the second resistance. Okay, clearly that price make a neckline here. We can identify the first resistance here, and maybe if you highlight the zone, the body and the wick, that will be this one. Okay, and that will be 78.6 maybe. Okay, or 61.8. Okay, somewhere around this one, right? Okay, you can see that. And definitely what we can do, this is, I identify the first support, which is price came all the way down. Okay, this one is the zone for the second support. Okay, all this level that you need to take note of. And what you can see here, if you want to look all the way to the left, you will get the first support. And one, the headphone close, it really clearly that they're going to reverse from this level. Why? Because you can see that a lot of rejection, a lot of wick here, and the headphone candle. Okay, this one, they end with the price action here, right here. So you can open the buy position for this when this candle is open. Okay, this one. And then if there is your TP, you buy from here, your TP, if you're confident, you short here, and then you might earn a few pip from this one to this one, which is 100 pip at least. Okay, now just hold your position. It's just still just within the first, this is not the first support. We will see whether price could kind of like make either M pattern maybe and break below or here, or pull back here and then continue to make a downtrend. Okay, and the make like that is gonna be the neckline here, right? Pull back here, be gonna short here and then break below and then falling. Okay, well, we see how the price will pay out tonight. Okay, Aussie dollar, wow, sell entry spike up here and falling. Okay, for quite a messy one. Okay, definitely here is very clearly, it's really the major resistance level. A lot of rejection here. Ranging in daily time frame between first resistance and first support. Okay, I might have to adjust the level for the first support, which is the capture here. Move down. This is the one. Okay, price came. And they kind of like, from this swing low to swing high, right? Let me just move this week. Okay, from this swing low to swing high, you can see this is the price action, and then you can see that they cannot break below golden level, which is 61.8 here. You can see that they cannot break below right here. So this is not the key level I'm watch out. I just want to see if price could break this level, which is 61.8 retracement, and then a target, which is the first support right here. This is gonna be my second support. Okay, we can use people. I think I will use extension, which is, you can see that the first support is close to 161.8 extension, which is right here. So potential, there might be potential price will break below the 61.8% retracement level right here. Okay. I could just highlight this resistance dot for resistance, which is right here. Okay. That's about us. Oh, give it dollar. That would be divergence, right? Is it divergent? Yeah, they're kind of like there's the divergence happening here. In H4 time frame, it will clearly the price on uptrend. They make it all the way high, and they kind of like stop here, or maybe at this week, is it? You can see that first resistance, definitely. This is kind of like overlap support, clearly the overlap support, and the next support level, this is that you need to watch out, which is this one. And the small one, that will be 23.6% for a retracement, or maybe 38. Can I exact or light up with 38.2% Fibonacci retracement right here? Okay. Let's say they break above first resistance. Okay. The next key level that I want to watch out, you can see that this is 76.6%. I will just refer to second resistance, which you do have 78.6%. Okay. Here. Yep, I think just find the key level. Okay. Okay. This is the key level. Just take note of if you know how to find the key level correctly. Okay, then you can trade. Okay. I mean, there's so many strategy, but if you want to wait for confirmation, go to the lower time frame and wait for confirmation. Okay, price falling here. If they break first support, you could like pull back and then you can short. Okay, like there is so many pair you can trade. If this one is not if there is no trade setup, and then you don't force yourself to trade this pair. Okay. What about oil? I'm kind of like wait here to short oil, but it seems like I would see the post first resistance. Okay, so tonight, okay, there's a gap here, right? We will see for the for oil. My key level still the same. This one that could come and trigger extension. You can see that price come to the extension here. All right, and then it's falling. Okay. The key level still the same, which is, I think that will be like falling from here. Okay, now let's just identify a goal. This is my key level that take note of, which is this is my level, which is put here. I think that will be 127, 161. I put somewhere around here, which is I might put identify is this one. Okay, and I might put at this external rate. Okay, if I were to put up to here, for example, and then you can see price falling. This is gonna be my first support. Okay, my first support here, which is clearly that price mega swing low, swing high. Okay, is this 20.2 or something exact 20.2? So kind of like wait here. I want to kind of like buy up here. We'll see whether price will like bounce off from this level, which is the first support. Okay, again, the second support all the way up, I think it's gonna be at this level. Okay, some people asking why I don't put here, but I think I just capture at this level, which is double B, 38.2 and 78.6%. Okay, this is the level for gold. Okay, okay, price is already falling from our falling toward our support, which is we buy at support, right? And we sell at the resistance. Okay. Sell high, buy low. Okay, so yep, this is gonna be second resistance, definitely. Okay, either we can use Fibonacci retracement to see at whether any level that is okay. This 38.2 cannot break above. I'm not gonna use 38.2, but I'm going to use 61.8 my X retracement here for my second resistance and price falling. Okay, let's see here. One price come to our zone. Okay, what is M15 telling you? The price action here, but price is go up and it cannot go above and then falling. But in M15, very clearly that you will see the bearish divergence right here. Bearish divergence versus RSI, right? Here, price make a high, indicator will make a lower high. Okay, this is very clearly that you're gonna short from this level. Okay, even though I'm kind of like M15, this may be high. This might either you consider right break of structures here. Like here, they create the high and the low up to here. I think they come to 50, almost like kind of 50%, but in M15, some of the trader, if you did not short here, they might kind of like price come down and pull back. This is another area they're gonna short from, like 2367, which is here and then falling. Now price is falling from this level to the current one is about 150 pip for gold. That is very, very, very nice. Okay, today gold is very nice to, you can say to me, but it's not very nice to me a few days ago. Okay, so now price falling. Okay, I expected price to come to at least 2351. I must start to kind of like see if there is a confirmation and will buy from that level. Okay, it's falling already. It's very nice one. Okay. Maybe we might just look for one more pair, which is the Germany 40. Okay, this is my kind of still set up. Short here is resistance already TP. Okay, so now what's going on here? Is it gonna form the CD? Let me see, okay? Why is that level? Oh, 78.6. This is a harmony pattern. No. Okay, that's not harmony pattern because XABC is all below. I consider, but it may be like a W pattern. Okay. For Gemini 40, it's very clearly that this is our first support. For H4. Let me see. This one, I think they're gonna get your almost like an extension, but they kind of like this is the zone that price came down and falling, right? For resistance, that would be extension right here. Okay, so let me just identify this for resistance. Okay. Let's say if they make a new high, but because of H4 haven't closed, there will be 50%. Let's just say 50%. If okay, I might have to go lower to H4. Okay. I will draw in H4 time frame. They create a new low, new high here. So first support, I will just pick at this level, and this is gonna be my second support level. Okay, you can see the price falling very nicely. Okay. Okay, one more pair. Okay, before I end the webinars, Dow Jones. Okay, look at Dow Jones now. It's very hard to find the level for US30, but okay. Again, this is just put the first support, which is multi-swing low first. Okay, and this one will it's not a nice one. Okay. Okay, I would dare to call a first support here and second support right here. Okay. For H4, this is gonna be my first resistance. So I still expected that price will fly to first resistance. Okay, we do my you can see 61.8% exact. Okay. For the second resistance, it's gonna be somewhere around here. It's tuned down here. That is not very nice, but let's just refer to this swing high for resistance. Okay. Let me see the level. Go to daily first. To me, for the US30, if you were to look at daily time frame, we see like they kind of like have bearish divergence in daily time frame. Okay, so okay, I kind of like want the price to go up here and then falling like that, pull back and fall. If they fall, at least I need to adjust. This is my target. That price might come to this level, but okay, this is the one that we kind of waiting for when the price come to this level. Okay, and that would be extension 127, somewhere around this level. Okay. Okay. This one is like for the swing, okay? This is a daily. But this how is headphone look like. We're not gonna do that, but I will use a projection. Even though projection is not very nice, but okay. Sorry, I think I need to adjust this level. I will use a projection which is 78.6% projection here. Okay. Okay. Okay, one more Nasdaq. Okay, before in the webinars, one more. Okay, it's all-time high, right? Okay, can chart now. It's almost at the extension. Yeah, but it seems like I still identify the first resistance. I refer to the extension, and it's gonna be either first support. We will see tonight. All right, for Nasdaq or this week. This is our okay, let me move a little bit here. My first support here, this is gonna be my intermediate support, which is very close to. We will see. If you want to buy from here, just wait for confirmation. Okay, and I will just pick here for the second support. Okay, no. So now it seems like they're falling. If you can chop now, you can. If you want to, we have 50% for second. For the first support, 50%. Okay, you guys can see that 50%. Okay, because price go, these are all-time high, right? Could like capture extension, but it seems like they did not capture the extension, like here or here, maybe here. They did not, so I just leave it like that. Okay, or maybe the projection, we can like project here to here with that. It maybe it's not when it's a projection. Okay, we don't use it. Okay. Okay, and really clearly the head 4 is falling because you can see this his bottom frame. You cannot apply action here, apply action here. So you can sell for Nasdaq. Okay, falling already. All right, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Okay. I will see you guys again in the next webinars. All right. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye for now.